This is a used 2007 BMW 3 Series, the ultimate driving machine. Powered by rear-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a turbocharger, a retractable hardtop, leather seats, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, a premium sound system, aluminum rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Don Gasker's Charlotte County Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3156 Tamiami Trail, Port Charlotte, Florida 33952.